Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to bank a loan America for small business. So Bank of America Small Business Loans Review 2022 low rates. If low rates, if you can quality, we invested all of Bank of America's as many business loans to bring you our analysis based for small commercial real estate loans starting at 2.49% APR and many loan choices, low starting APRs, long payment terms, strict pay application criteria. So here is a get loan if you want to if you want by so we are committed to sharing unbiased reviews. Some of the links on our site are from our partners who compensate us read our additional editorial guidelines and advertising disclosure. Last update 1 month ago, Bank of America still is not offering new business advantage credit lines or terms loans. Otherwise, it continues to lend as usual with even lower interest rates than the last time we updated this review. We'll keep an eye on those business advantage funding products and let know when they are available again. So if you like big banks and you cannot lie, then we need to talk about a Bank of America, BOA, and its small business financing with plenty of loan on options, ultra low interest rates, and long repayment terms. This traditional bank could offer just what you need to expand your business. On the other hand, its strict it borrowed requirements, slow funding times, and poor customers reviews could make a Bank of America a no-go. Here is what you should know before applying. So pros, many financing types and options, and second one, low starting interest rates and APRs, and then long loan repayment terms. And cons, strict borrower qualifications, negative customer reviews. So relatively slow funding times. Bank of America review table of contents, loan, and then loan products and pricing features, BOA versus competitors. So drawback, other products that take away fact. Bank of America's small business is loan options and pricing. So like we said, Bank of America has lots of loan choices is but when each has unique terms, rates, and uses, how do you know which one you should get? The answer of course depends on your business's needs. If you are buying a car for your business, so for example, you will want to business advantage auto loan. If you just want some you might want to business advantage credit line. Okay, so but not all choices are quite that obvious. So let's take a more detailed look at each of Bank of America's small business loan. So Bank of America's small business financing pricing. So product and for product repayment term, minimum and maximum loan amount, lowest published rates, and learn more. So business advantage credit line, and products. So first of all, I read a product. So business advantage credit line, a secured business line of credit, business advantage term loan, and secured business loan, business advantage auto loan, equipment loan, commercial real estate loan, practice solutions, and SBA loans. And then we want to talk about repayment term. Repayment term has revolving with annual renewal and 12 to 60 months, up to 5 years, 48 to 72 months, and up to 5 years, up to 15 years, talk to banker up to 25 years. So minimum and maximum loan amount are $10,000 or $1 lakh. So $25 and half, 10,000 and $10,000 or $1 lakh, $25,000 and half, $10,000 and half, $25,000 and half, $25,000 and half, and then up to $5 million, and then last one 25,000 or $5 million. And lowest published rate is 2.99% interest rate, and then 5.75%, 4.75%, 5.25%, and then 2.49%, 5.25%, and then 5.25%. So very competitive, 2.49. So here is a apply for your any terms and conditions. So you just apply now and fill up criteria. So note that business advantage financing into including the term loan, line of credit, and auto loan have lower borrower requirements than other financing options. With business advantage products, you need just $1 lakh in annual revenue to qualify, while other products require at least 2 lakh 50,000 in revenue. So with either product, your business must be at least 2 years old and you need a strong personal credit. So here is some picture of bank loan. So you grow your business today. So browse hundreds of loan options, customs and tailored to your business and budget needs from a single and simple platform. So here is a C loan offers. So business advantage credit line. The business advantage credit line gives you revolving credit you can draw and repay repeatedly to improve your cash flow. As an unsecured option, this line of credit won't require you to provide any collateral, while many small business owner will prepare a collateral free option. This line of credit does come with lower credit limits and higher rates than its secured counterpart. Still, this line provides affordable revolving credits with a monthly payment schedule. So and then a secured business line of credit. This line of credit also helps with cash flow, but it does require collateral more specifically. This loan gets secured by a blanket lien on your business assets. So while that means you take on a title more risk as a borrower, you get rewarded with lower rates and higher credit limits. So in fact, Bank of America doesn't set a maximum credit limit for this line, and your personal maximum depends on the worth of your assets. So business advantage term loan. This basic term loan provides another unsecured financing option for your cash flow or expansion needs. Again, that means a smaller maximum loan size, $1,00,000 versus the virtually unlimited max for a secured loan and higher rates. But you still get a comfortable term of 1 to 5 years, and you need only $1 lakh in revenue to qualify for this loan, rather than $250,000 for a secured version. Sorry. Like, uh, it's takeaway Bank of my customer previous founding times by what requirements. Okay. And then based a small business, Bank of America online leader. Bank of America versus Chase. Again, yeah, we will find similar small business financing option at Bank of America and Chase, with both offering a variety of loans as well as credit lines and credit cards. Unlike Bank of America or Wells Fargo, Chase doesn't publish is its application criteria or its rates. You can assume Chase will have similar criteria to rather other traditional lenders. So at least 2 years in business, good credit, and $100,000 in revenue. So deep revenue as well as similar low rates and long term, but you will have to talk to a Chase representative and person to get specific information about its loan. So despite that, Chase has better approval than Bank of America or Wells Fargo. In that same ranking of 40 America banks customer rankings is put Chase at 24. Bank of America versus online lenders. Uh, and then business advantage. Sorry. I want the shares funding, borrow, Ambika, doctors. On Bank of America online reader. Bank of America offers a better rates and terms and then most online lenders, so you will likely get a better deal at the big bank. But if you have got a young business, got a young business. So Bank of America versus Wells Fargo. Bank of America and Wells Fargo have similar financing products, including loans, lines of credit, and credit cards. So Fargo has recently has disconnected recently has disconnected its regular term loans, though, it still offers SBA terms loans and commercial real estate loans. So, Wells Fargo has stricter application requirements than Bank of America. It requires a full 3 years in business to apply and ask for $1.50 in revenue for every $1.00 borrowed. Or likewise, Wells Fargo suggests applicants have multiple uh, multiple sources of current credits of current credits 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 history. No bankrupts for the first 10 years, while Bank of America may look at all those as factors those as factors on loan, but it just 2 years in business is and 1 lakh dollar or 1 lakh dollar or revenue for unsecured loans, and 2 lakh 50,000 for secured loans. So if you have a younger business for or less revenue, you should probably go with Bank of America. In terms of reputation, customers like Bank of America more than Wells Fargo, but just barely in a ranking of the 40 top banks in the United States. Bank of America comes in at 36, is while Wells Fargo comes in at 40. Bank of America versus Chase. Again, you will find a similar small business financing options at Bank of America and Chase, with both offering a variety of loans as well as credit lines and credit cards. Unlike Bank of America or Wells Fargo, Chase doesn't publish its application criteria or its rates. You can assume at while Banking of America may look at all those as factors too, its actual requirements boil down to what we said up to top just 2 years in business and 1 lakh dollar in revenue in unsecured loans. So, despite that, Chase has a better approval than Bank of America or Wells Fargo in that same ranking of 40 America banks customers rankings put Chase at 24. So, Bank of America versus online lenders. Bank of America offers better rates and terms than most online lenders, so you will likely get a better deal at the big bank. But if you have got a young business, a less profitable business, or if you are just still building a business credit, then an online lender will likely work better for your financing needs. Their lower loan application requirements make loans and lines of credit far more accessible all than Bank of America does best small business for best overall fund data by Ned Wallet, best for SBN Rollins funding, Circle Blue Vine Fund Box best for young business. Bank of America drawbacks. We have already mentioned some of the downsides to Bank of America lending, but let's make them crystal clear. Borrower requirements. As a traditional lender, Bank of America has stricter applicant application qualification than most online lenders. It asks for higher credit scores, longer business history, and more revenue. For its unsecured loans, it requires for your business to be at least 2 years old and higher $250,000. Bank of America is loan leads lots of minimum credit score for borrowers, but expect to need something in the high 60 in 600 as while those lending requirements aren't as strict as some other big banks. Bank of America's criteria excludes young startups or other business with poor or credits funding times. These days, many online lenders offer next day funding or faster. In comparison, Bank of America moves at a glacial pace. You cannot even apply for most of its loans online. Instead, you have to talk to a banker in person or over the phone by appointment. So even if you get funded quickly a couple days after approval, simple